Social media groups like Bakers of Bangalore and Home Bakers Guild have seen a 30% increase in memberships during the lockdown. Many professionals and housewives took up home baking as a business, and social media has acted as the catalyst for their growth. An IT professional who took to home baking takes not more than 4 orders a week and manages a profit of over 10 to 15,000 every month.
First cake I ever baked was in the year 2020 during the lockdown. The COVID, there were really hard times where we got pay cuts, and with this baking hobby, it really helped me to match that salary thing. But yeah, definitely it has made our living more easier.
Customers say they prefer home bakers over traditional bakeries due to hygiene, especially in the face of this pandemic.
Of lately, I've been preferring home bakers because there's more of hygiene, and you have that feeling. Okay, so they're baking it at home. It'll be clean and it'll be made out of love and all those. And the taste is also way better than the normal bakeries that.
Organizations like Awake, VHub, and Women Innovator particularly help women entrepreneurs fund their small businesses. Officials from organizations that support women entrepreneurs say that businesses that start at home provide women with financial stability and social standing. Social media has proved to be a boon for the ones who have decided to take up their hobby of home baking professionally. The customers too are satisfied with this development and look forward to more cost effective and creative home baked products. This is Ratika Rana signing off for CityCast.